Now that you've gone through the process of registering with Autodesk, we're going to go in and find your copy of Autodesk Maya. So we're going to be navigating into the free software section because, hey, everyone likes something free. And in here, we're going to go and find the Maya button. If we scroll a little bit down, you can actually see multiple pieces of software you can download for free as a student, but we'll get into that at a later stage. We're going to be jumping into Maya, and in here it's going to ask us to sign in or complete profile. So as you can see, I cannot at this point in time select any operating options or anything, so I'm just going to go complete profile, which is just going to go and ask me for my username and password. After logging in with your username and password, you will now be granted access to choose your license type and all that good stuff. So we're going to be choosing a license type for personal individual use. The version number we're going to be working currently on for this essential training is Maya 2020. The operating system depends on what you are using on your end. I'm going to be downloading the Windows 64-bit version as that is what I'm currently running. And then of course my language, it will be English. And as I click that, we are greeted with a serial number, product key, file size, and all that good stuff. So as you can see, you can use this copy of Autodesk Maya up to 2 different devices, for example, your desktop and laptop. So now, as you can see, we've got that information. If we scroll a bit down, we're gonna be clicking the little install now. We're gonna read all these terms and services like all of us do very diligently. So I'm gonna go click accept. Click install. It's going to download a very small web installer. As you can see, I've already downloaded that before, but let's go and just overwrite that. Now, after download is done, I'm going to close this window. So after the download's done, I'm going to be navigating to my downloads folder. As you can see, there's the web installer. So I'm going to be double clicking that. And then of course, you're going to go through the process and follow the prompts that Maya will guide you through the installation process. I already have a copy of Maya installed on my machine, so I will be leaving you off just after this preparing window so I can just navigate you into the correct direction. As you can see, it already states all my components installed. So when you double click it, Autodesk is going to run through installing all of these components. I'm going to click finish here, and then I'm going to go close this. And then when you boot up Maya for the first time, it's going to ask you for the activation or run it for a trial. So you're going to be activating your version of Maya by using the supplied serial number and product key that you have here. Autodesk is also friendly enough to email you a copy of this so you can keep it for your record, so you don't have to constantly go and find your serial numbers. So work through the process of installing Maya and registering it, and then I will catch you in the next video when we officially open Maya for the first time.